Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm Stacy. So today I wanted to finally test out the Lash Glue Liner by KISS and the Eylure Pro Magnetic lashes. I know these have been around for quite some time. I don't know how old these are. I know it says new, but I don't know how new they are. But I haven't tried them, as you can see. Like, I haven't opened them or anything. They were part of my Ulta haul video that I did here on my channel. So I'm finally getting around to trying these out. One eye I will be doing this one, and then the other one popping on the magnetics. For this one, I do plan to pair them with my KISS So Wispy lashes that I also mentioned in my haul. As you can see, like, these have been my freaking favorites. I love using this style, the 09. They're just very soft and natural, and they have that clear band, which helps a lot. Very beginner friendly. I'm used to using my Star Glue, so it's gonna feel weird that I won't be using this to pop on these. But alright, I have some pretty high expectations for this one. I really do hope this one works out well, because the convenience of like a 2-in-1 type of thing. These I am a little skeptical about. I mean, I'm not trying to judge it, but I'm like, magnetic. It's by Eylure London, and it's a Pro Magnetic eyeliner and lash system. Natural fiber lashes, easy application, and it says you can use it up to 15 wears. This is in the Fluttery Light number 117. And then for the KISS, I got the black one. They do have this in a black and white color, but I got the black. So it says it's a lash glue and eyeliner in one. It's a matte finish, foolproof, and easy touch up. We'll see if that's true. So right now I don't have anything on my face except for some concealer. As you can also tell, my eyebrows are looking crazy. Okay, so they're a little more darker than usual, and that's because I just got them microbladed a few days ago, so they are still healing up from that. If you guys are interested to know more about my microblading, if you guys have been wanting to do microblading or anything like that, feel free to go ahead and let me know down in the comments below any questions that you may have, because I do plan on uploading a video talking all about my brows, my experience, my journey, you know, including price, where did I go, and all that good stuff. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I have been doing a brow journey progress. I have a highlight on there showing you guys what I started out with and how it's been going for me these past few days, and a little more like behind the scenes type of thing. So check that out. And like I said, if you're not following me on there already. But okay, let's go ahead and get right into the application. So I'm going to open this one up. From the packaging, it looks like it's a felt tip, so that'd be cool if it is. Yep. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Okay, it's not a flimsy felt tip. So what I mean by felt tip is when it looks like this. It looks like just like a pin, you know, very pointy, very, you know, sturdy. ¿Qué es esto? If you have a liquid eyeliner that's a felt tip, it's a lot easier for you to apply eyeliner on your lid versus having like a brush type or even gel liners. If you are a beginner with eyeliner and makeup, felt tip eyeliners will be your best friend. So I do have some lashes already out of my packaging thing. I'm just going to use a pair that I already have in my little lash holder. I also talked about this one in one of my hauls. I believe is in that Ulta haul as well. I'm just going to do one eye at a time. All I'm doing is pretty much bending my lash so it can like curve a little more, so whenever I do place it, it like fits perfectly. All right, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit since this is going to be like a demo, and I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, let me clean that up a little bit. I don't know how long I have to wait for that, for the liner. Never mind, I can feel it. I can feel it start getting tacky. I can feel it getting a little like tight. Oh, whoa. That stuck on fast. Oh yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, okay. I don't think you guys saw that. My lid right here, because as you can see, they do like crease up a little bit right here. Some of my skin overlapped on the liner. That glued on so fast. Hold on. I usually always have lip balm on because with the winter and then with wearing mask all the time, my lips have just been a mess. My favorite one to use is the baby lips by Maybelline. I love these. If you're looking for a really moisturizing lip balm and affordable, these are bomb. Let me move on to my other eye. It coming like in a whole kit makes me a little nervous. It says easy application in minutes. Step 1, apply 3 coats. Apply 3 coats of liner across entire length of lash line. Allow each layer to dry completely. Apply lashes directly to liner and press to secure. Pro tips for best magnetism: build liner to as thick as a lash band. If you need to remove lashes to adjust, make sure to reapply fresh coats of liner. Okay, so before I actually start applying these, I'm going to measure these to my lid. From what I remember with Eylure, they already come pretty like eyelash down. Take 2. Okay, these fit. So what I was saying with Eylure, they already come pretty short. You know, they're not really long lashes where you have to like trim them or anything. They should be like good to go with your eye shape already. The little eyeliner is tiny and it's a brush. I don't know about you. It is very liquidy, like a lot more liquidy than the other eye, but that's because it's a brush. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the other layer. There's 1, 2. This one I don't feel too much tightness. Like I'm starting to feel it a little bit over here, but not throughout the lash line. And with this one, instantly, like as soon as it started to dry, I can feel it going like this, really drying up everywhere. Like everywhere that I applied the liner, it was drying up. So it has the 5 little magnets throughout the lash band, 2 on the outer corners and then 3 in the middle. So these are sticking to the to the middle. These actually stick to this. And I know because it's a metal tool, but the heck. Okay, I think I got it on. For some reason, it's not sticking over here. So let me apply another layer, like to the end of my lash line, and see if maybe that would help. It was sticking perfectly here. So I'm not sure why it's not sticking over here. Like I applied the liner, like the layers that I did, I applied them throughout the whole lash line. Let's try this again. So I'm not sure if I did something wrong or what the heck's happening. Okay, starting off with KISS. I mean, it's easy and convenient, plain and simple. As soon as I applied the liner and then started reading the instructions, which I probably should have done before, but as soon as I started reading it, within seconds, I can feel it getting tight, which is telling me that it was drying up and to apply the lash already, right? So it stays tacky. Look at that. Look, my finger is stuck to the lid, but it said you can apply your own liner on top of it. I'm assuming to obviously not leave it tacky. The eyeliner I'm using is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in just black. This one is also matte. This said it was a matte finish. There was a little bit of shine to the liner, but I don't think that matters if you can just apply your regular eyeliner on top. I don't know if you guys might think that's an extra step. What you can do with these, now that I think about it, either with the black or with the clear, maybe with the clear will work better. If you create like a liner and then put glitter on top, like loose glitter, and apply it, because this is already your glue, so you can just apply it on top. That would give you like a crisp glitter liner. Guys, foolproof. It didn't smear or anything while it was drying or while I was working on this one. Sometimes some eyeliners that I have used, because I like my lids do crease up a little bit up at the top, or for some reason here in my inner corners, my liner does tend to like smudge or transfer over to my bottom tear duct right here. This one didn't do any of that, so it's definitely a winner here. Definitely worth the money. Like, I cannot believe I waited this long to try this. Don't get me wrong, like I still love my eyeliners, but I would pretty much see myself using this one more if like I'm really in a hurry with trying to apply some lashes. So highly recommend this one. Now moving on to the other eye with my Eylure London Pro Magnetics. The lash style is pretty. It's beautiful. I love how it's like, it kind of gives you like that foxy eye look, even if you didn't have, you know, the whole wing and just like a normal thin liner. This lash style is so beautiful. I need to look for a lash style like this actually, now that I have it on. Like, I just love how it looks. Oh, so it's stuck now. When I was applying it, the end was not sticking, but it's on there now. Oh, look, it's on there. Look at that. It's not coming off at all, obviously, unless I like really tug on it, but they're actually on. Okay, so the verdict has changed. Not that I still prefer the KISS. The two things with this one that I found a little difficult or confusing was the coating. It said I had to apply 3 layers and then I had to let it dry completely. So that's already something that, you know, we're not used to whenever you apply lashes. When you apply lashes, you have to apply that lash before it completely dries, or you basically have to reapply it because it has to be at least somewhat tacky, or there's nothing the lash is going to stick to. And then the magnetic part is a little hard. This may not be the best tool to use when you're doing magnetics because it can stick to this. It was sticking to this a lot of the times, which made it a little more difficult. So then when I started using my fingers, it was just a little difficult. I don't see this being beginner friendly at all. I feel like it would just make it a lot harder for you and maybe discourage you into trying out lashes. Is it worth the money? Honestly, in my opinion, no. It's not worth the money. It's just not something that I would reach for and be like, ooh, yeah, I want to do my magnetic lashes today. You know, as far as the blend, I mean, they blend, you know. The magnetic ones, you can see the magnetic little plates on the lash, and it really just looks like you have like glue clumps. For me personally, I would definitely use the KISS, and this is great for anybody, whether you're a beginner, freaking expert, whatever. This one is definitely a winner over the Eylure Magnetics. If you guys enjoyed seeing like versus type of videos, let me know if you want me to create like a series with that. I mean, I had a lot of fun doing this. Definitely check this one out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please be sure to give it a like down at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!